Welcome to EuroPCR 2016. I'm Thomas Cuisset from Marseille, France, and the topic of today will be the highlight of coronary intervention during this meeting. And to discuss that, I have the privilege to have Andreas Bombard from UK and Michael Haude from Germany. And I would like to start, Andreas, what will be for you your memorable highlight from this meeting on the coronary field?
It's very difficult because the coronary program was exceptional this year. We had great late-breaking trials, we had educational sessions and fantastic live cases. But there's one thing that stood out for me, and that was at the very beginning a presentation of a late-breaking trial. I think what we have witnessed is the end of the bare metal stent. The leaders free trial subgroup ACS was presented and showed that really this will change our practice. We will not need bare metal stents anymore. This was then also discussed in a specific session, will this trial change my practice, where the message was reinforced. This is my highlight of the coronary program.
Okay, Andreas, could you just summarize for the community what were the main results of the Leaders Free study presented in the meeting?
Leaders Free is the first study that focused specifically on patients at high bleeding risk. This is the patient group where we still use bare metal stent if we want to minimize the dual antiplatelet treatment to 4 weeks. Now here we have a randomized trial that compared this practice with using a specific drug-eluting stent in this patient population with the same reduced DAPT duration, and it showed that there were benefits in MACE reduction using the drug-eluting stent. Hence the conclusion in this group, we see the end of the bare metal stent.
I think just to reply to this, I think to me the main highlight of this meeting for coronary intervention, and that's I think the beauty of this international meeting, is to realize that when we discuss a lot about the device to try to improve the strut, the polymer and so on, sharing practice with people coming from different parts of the world, we realize that in many regions of the world, the main objective is not the device, it's just to provide the care to the patient. And I think that will be really the future goal of cardiovascular community, is not just to improve patient outcome based on the device, but just based on local constraint network. And I think the best example we had was the STEMI. We had a very nice STEMI discussion highlighting the fact that in many regions in the world, lytics is still the best option to treat the patient. Michael, I'm sure you have also an important highlight to share with us for this coronary field in the meeting.
Absolutely, Thomas. In addition to what you have mentioned already, clearly for me the highlight was the educational track on coronary interventions. There were different options our attendees could choose from. There was a training center to learn on different techniques, to deal with different materials. There were sessions on sharing how to treat best CTOs or STEMIs or bifurcation scenarios. But the real highlight always is when you get into a real contact with the attendants and the peers during the complications session. You see, people learn most out of that because mostly they haven't seen these kind of complications so far, but now they can take away the solutions and the options that were shared there in a very cozy environment, in a very direct interaction between the facilitators and the audience. When they go home and unfortunately need to experience a kind of these complications, already have a solution in their mind. So this is always for me something very important and always a highlight of this meeting.
Okay, so Andreas had an highlight more based on evidence, but yours will be more based on sharing experience, daily practice and skills.
Practical aspects that you can take with you when you go home.
So interestingly, we had 3 different types of highlight coming from our group. The first one was the end of bare metal stent, as discussed by Andreas with the Leaders Free result. The second one from Michael was more about sharing experience based on educational sessions. And the third one was the worldwide approach and perspective for the field of interventional cardiology. Thank you.